Hey y'all, iRix Guy here. Now something that a lot of people falsely assume is that a drone such as this one, because it is so small and so lightweight and brightly colored, people often falsely assume that a drone is a toy. And a drone is not a toy. And that's one of the reasons why we're seeing a lot of negative press in regards to the drones. Because people falsely assume that it's a toy and it's not a toy. This is an aircraft. Despite the small size, a drone is an aircraft. So anytime that you're out having a good time with a drone like I am, you know, obviously make sure you're in a safe and legal and responsible location and have a good time with it. I mean, I'm out right now having a good time out in the middle of nowhere in the wilderness. And one of my favorite things to do with a drone is fly in very low and challenging places. I mean, I may lose my drone, but if I do, I mean, it may get wet and I'd have to retrieve it, but if I do, I mean, that's the risk that I assume to enjoy this hobby. But regardless of where I'm flying, I'm always safe. I'm aware of what's around me. I mean, right now there's just a bunch of rocks and trees. But if I'm flying where there are people, I'm always sure that if I'm flying over anyone, it's only myself. I'm not flying over others. And it's so important that we come together as drone hobbyists, because if we don't, what's going to happen? This hobby will likely cease to exist at an international level. And if it continues to exist, and you know, it could be a situation where there's over-regulation, and it, you know, like anything else, if there's so much red tape, it's not that enjoyable, because it's like, well, I do this, but, and then it gets to the point to where it's like you're more concerned about making sure that everything you're doing is legal and safe versus having a good time. And that's where I hope it doesn't happen. But if we all bond together and preach responsible drone use and drone safety, again, I am the drone evangelist. You can go to droneevangelist.com and you can watch my videos there. But if we all get together and we preach safe and responsible drone use, hopefully it'll help the hobby as a whole. And again, anytime you're out, like right now, if somebody happened to walk up and they ask questions, you know, I would emphasize safety, because any opportunity I have to put drone safety into the spotlight, I'm going to do it. But I mean, obviously right now there's nobody around, just a bunch of trees, and I'm not going to talk to a tree and say, hey, be safe with drones, because a tree's not going to try to fly a drone. I mean, it's not a human. So anyway, you know, take this into consideration. Again, this hobby is super important to me, and I know if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in the drone hobby as well. Maybe you don't have a drone yet, maybe you're thinking about getting one. Whatever the case may be, it's imperative that we're all safety-centric when it comes to drones. And check out epicdroneshow.com. You can find my live shows, you can find all the drones, drone accessories, a ton of safety information. Again, I love to preach drone safety. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. youtube.com/iRixGuy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRix Guy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.